Welcome to Smallhouse Studio channel. Today we're taking you on a tour of this cozy, tiny house 5x5 meters. 269 square foot with glass door, featuring a unique glass door entrance framed with aluminum and a galvalume roof. As you approach the front of the house, you'll notice a 1 meter wide porch adorned with a pair of iron chairs and a table, all set upon a lovely light brown stone floor. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior of this cozy, tiny home. Upon entering, you're greeted by the inviting living room. A comfortable L-shaped white sofa invites you to relax and unwind. There's also a widescreen LED TV for your entertainment, adorned with beautiful wall art. To bring a touch of nature indoors, a potted plant graces the corner of the room, adding a refreshing green vibe to the space. Adjacent to the living room, you'll find the compact yet fully functional kitchen area, complete with a mini bar that doubles as a dining table. Here, you have everything you need, from a sink for washing dishes to a stovetop for cooking up your favorite meals. The large window in the kitchen area provides ample natural light and a picturesque view of the outdoors. Moving on to the bedroom, which measures 3 meters by 3 meters, you'll find a cozy retreat for a peaceful night's sleep. There's also a wardrobe for storing your clothing, ensuring you have all the essentials within arm's reach. Just in front of the bedroom, you'll discover the convenient laundry room. Equipped with a washing machine, this space makes it easy to keep your clothes clean and fresh. Last but not least, the bathroom is a true gem in this tiny house. It features a modern shower with glass doors, a stylish sink, and a comfortable sitting toilet. The clever design ensures that every inch of this space is used efficiently. That concludes our tour of this charming tiny house, where thoughtful design meets coziness and functionality. With its glass door entrance, well-designed interior, and smart use of space, this 5x5 meter tiny house proves that great things come in small packages. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Smallhouse Studio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tiny house inspiration. See you next time!